Hello, hello. This is Mila Lansdowne, and today is again about happiness and how to become more centered, uh, have more inner peace, have a joyful experience of life. Of course, the word of happiness means different things to different people. For me, it means being centered, inner peace, empowering, inspiring others, and making good contribution to the life of others, using our talents to spend time with money-making activity that brings our deepest fulfillment. So whatever happiness is, today I would like to speak about the power of the words. A couple of days back, I explained what I call the tier concept, that our thoughts trigger emotions from which we then take actions and create the results we have now. And the only way to get a different result is basically start at the root of the cause, which is by what we think, how we evaluate situation. And I'm guiding everyone who wants to listen to starting point in affirmative, positive evaluation of situation. And today I would like to just, give you a simple, easy example where I assume that everyone can really relate to it. And it's about words. How often we regret that we said something that was harmful, that made somebody feeling sad or hurt. And the fact about words are so powerful. The word once spoken, if it's not empowering and inspiring, if it's putting somebody down or criticizing badly, these words we cannot take back. They stick in the mind of the person who heard that word forever. And we need to then do big work to neutralize it and bring it back to harmony in a relationship. So I think everyone, myself included, experienced that, and we are learning. So it starts with, okay, of course, we want to consider what we say. Facts are best thing of communication without evaluation. And one specific aspect of using words or the inner chatter in our head, because the brain works continuously, even when we just walk somewhere, that there is evaluation. We are evaluating whatever we see. And here is what I would like to say today. There are word choices, and here is an example. I can say, I hate driving at night, okay? But I also can say, I love driving during the day. Same situation, different comments, and not only this, because from that first statement, a thought or words, we may just think it or we might just say it to somebody. From that word, there is emotional corresponding state. If I say I hate, and there is emotion attached to it, It is not inspiring, empowering. If I say I love, you can even hear in the tone of my voice that the emotion behind it is different, is smooth, is inspiring, is uplifting, is positive. And this is just the starting point, because from that first statement, the brain starts to trigger new thoughts. So for the example, I hate driving by night, there may come in the head, in the mind, because these are these dangers. And more of the negative stuff is accumulating in our brain. And of course, with emotion, then if I say, oh, I really love to drive during the day because the blue sky, the snow, peaks, mountains, the flowers, whatever. And you can see the train of thought that comes from that statement is inspiring and increases in positivity. And the other one increases in negativity. So today, my suggestion is watch your thoughts, words, how you view the life events, your life and other people, everything. And start to consciously rephrase. You can cut yourself. And when I would say in the past, when I trained myself, and I would say, I hate that. Then I immediately switched and say, I prefer, instead of I hate, say I prefer. You don't need to say I love if it's something that really is too far away to love. But you can find a milder word that will move. There is this scale, emotional scale, from disempowerment to neutral, inner peace, to empowerment, happiness, joyful experience. And you have the power, I have the power, everyone is in the power of choosing what we think, what we say, how we feel, act, and the results. That's for fact. So this is Mila. I wish you a lovely, lovely day. Yeah, it's not easy, but it's very simple. And when you start today, in a couple of weeks, you will be a different person. Okay? Have fun. Much love to you. Thank you for watching.